Okay, we're here at Fay Canyon Trail. This is the parking lot. We're here at 6:39 and plenty of parking. We saw some mountain bikers head down the trail, so we think it might be a shared trail. Hi, this is Gina at Positivity Pass 50. We're in Sedona, and we're ready to go to the Fay Canyon Trail. Got a full moon up here. Here are the bathroom facilities. You have to have your Red Rock Pass. Buy one here. Okay, so I looked a little closer. The mountain bikers went that way. Well, around the other side. They even have some tools for the mountain bikers. It's pretty cool. Anyways, they went, I think, that way. We're going to Fay Canyon, which means we have to cross the street. So Fay Canyon Trail is a great trail. It's very easy to find off of Boynton Pass Road, and it's great for families and those with kids or those who don't want to hike very long. It is only 2.1 miles. It's an out and back trail. There's very little elevation gain. There is some at the very end, and you will notice in the middle of the video where you can scramble up some rocks and get a fabulous view, but you do not have to do that. This trail is rated 4.7 and for popularity, but also rated moderate, although I do not see why. To me, this would be an easy trail. There's hardly any elevation gain. Now, there is some at the very end, like I said, that's optional, so maybe that's why it's rated moderate. This is a great trail to see beautiful foliage, beautiful desert flowers, and great views of the red rocks. End of trail. Now this is where you could stay and sit and admire the beautiful tall canyon walls. We had noticed some people climbing up higher and we're enjoying some high views from up top of a rock scramble, so that is what I decided to do. And here are the views from on top of the rock scramble, and they are gorgeous. So we made the top of Fay Canyon. We had to scramble up some rocks, which are not too dangerous. I'll kind of give you a view of that. You can't really tell how steep it is, but I had to use both of my hands, kind of get on my knees to make sure I had my center of gravity low, because I am not a very confident hiker. I feel like I'm clumsy, so I have to be careful. I was on my knees right through here. And then I felt like I was crawling. You weren't watching me, you were in front of me anyways. Peanut gallery. But it's worth it to come up here. You can see above the trees all the way. Yeah, it's just a mile to this spot, and it's been secluded. It is a Thursday, so maybe still people are working, but it is gorgeous. It's worth coming up this little spot here. Some people even go up higher. Not me. I'm the reluctant hiker. Oh. Nope. Sorry. Now I gotta get down. All right, now we're headed back. It's about an hour back to the parking lot from here. Scrambled down, got dirty. Ready to go on to the next adventure. One thing I've been super impressed by is all the beautiful desert flowers that you are able to encounter along the trails. These are such a joy to look at. So we're almost back to our car. I want to thank you for watching this video of mine. I appreciate your viewing. If you notice, the parking lot will fill up about 8:15. So get there early. This is Positivity Past 50, and I want to thank you for watching again. And if you would like and subscribe, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much.